Hello everyone, today's video I am going to show you how to draw cross section and L profile in the AutoCAD from data in the Excel file. The offset for the point center point will be 0. Then all the left offset should be written in the negative and all the right offset are given in the positive. Now then you have to open in AutoCAD and software known as SW DTM. The link for this software will be description below and this Excel file will be description below. Then cross section, draw L profile and cross section, draw cross section. Then from default file, from Excel file, then execute, draw all, click on the AutoCAD, view, zoom and file, zoom all. This is the cross section file. This is my Chinese and you can see the offset wheel and here are the offset that I have included in my Excel file. There is now. Thank you everybody for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and support for more videos.